Welcome, Organization Administrators. After activating your CoderZ account, you can easily access the License Management application by clicking the Licenses tab on your navigation menu. The License Management app will open in a new tab. To add licenses to an existing account, navigate to the account. Then click the Add License link at the bottom of the page. Open the menu and select the license you wish to allocate this user. Then click the Add License button. You will see that the license has been added to this user. If this is a teacher user, they will receive an email inviting them to activate their licenses and invite students to CoderZ. To create a new teacher account, click the Create a New Teacher button on the Manage Teachers dashboard. The wizard will walk you through the steps, such as selecting your country and state or region and inputting the teacher's details. Click the Add License link, open the menu, select the license you wish to allocate this teacher to start with, and click the Add License button. At this point, you can choose to allocate this teacher account with additional licenses by clicking the Add License link. Otherwise, click Continue. The account will be created, and the teacher will receive an email inviting them to activate their account and their licenses. You can access the newly created account and view its details or perform various actions, such as resending the activation email or canceling the invitation. Thanks for watching!